Welcome to my little nest. I'm glad you're back here with me, or if you're new here, welcome. We're starting the day slow today, with coffee, the cats, and some of our favorite YouTube channels to keep us company. It's icy and quiet outside here in Ontario, Canada today. We're in the middle of an ice storm. The roads and trees are glazed in ice, a gentle reminder to slow down and stay cozy inside.
What are you going to do? What are we going to do today?
After a slow morning with coffee and the cats, I'm turning to a little nest care. Filling the bird and squirrel feeders outside, offering some much-needed food to our outdoor friends. Since this icy weather makes it harder for them to find their own. Stick around if you want to share in these quiet, simple moments that make this slow day feel like home. Now it's time for a little nest reset. Stripping my son's bed to get it ready for laundry. Here's the pile all set to go. And now I'm taking it to the washer, making sure everything stays clean and cozy. Next up, a quick look at the cat litter area. Here's where I store the litter bags and deodorizer, everything within reach. I've added this little stool to make cleaning easier and more comfortable. Floor is a bit chipped, but it's a rental. And since the cats throw up and make messes, rugs just aren't an option. So I've learned to just roll with it. Now I'm washing my son's weighted blanket. Luckily, our washer and dryer can handle it without any trouble. taking a little moment to enjoy some soup and relax before getting back to the laundry. We're halfway through the day's nest reset. Thanks for sticking around. If you're watching this far, drop a laundry or cat emoji in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Here's a question for you. What's your go-to laundry hack that makes the chore a little easier? I'd love to hear your tips while I switch things up here. My son really likes burgundy, so you'll see it all through his bedding and room. It's his favorite color and gives the space a cozy personal touch. My son's got this cardboard under his bed to keep Misty from hiding under there and scratching the mattress. It's a bit of a quirky solution, but it works. Taking a moment to care for this little nest, small steps that make a big difference. It's the simple, quiet moments that bring peace to the day. Keep going. You've got this. Just as I'm finishing up inside, a little surprise at the door. An Amazon delivery with some mint chocolate I ordered as a late Christmas treat to enjoy once the cleaning's done. The ice storm is still going strong outside as I grab my delivery. Now as I mop the kitchen floor, I'm taking the time to really care for this space, letting the quiet and calm settle in as the day winds down. Whether you checked off a lot today or just took a moment to breathe, remember, be kind to yourself. Every small step counts, and you are doing enough. You are seen, you are valued, and you are loved. It's garbage night, so time to take the recycling and garbage out. Keep the nest tidy one step at a time. From my little nest to yours, thank you for being here. See you next time.